we have Igbo language. Our topic today says simple sentences with what? Iji gini mee ahiriokwu mfe. We are going to use what? This word, what? To make simple sentences. In Igbo, it means Iji gini mee ahiriokwu mfe. Remember, what in Igbo, it means Gini. Igbo English. Number 1 says, Gini, what? Gini, what? Remember, when you are asking, Gini, it means question. You are asking question in Igbo. Gini, what? So when you are asking what, it has to go with question mark. Gini, what? So when you are writing Gini, it goes with question mark to show that you are asking question. Gini means what in English language? Gini mere. It means what happened, or say that. Gini mere. What happened? Number 3 says, Gini bụ ihe a. What is this? Gini bụ ihe a. It means what is this? This in Igbo means ihe a. This, ihe a. Remember, when you say this, it means a singular thing that is closer to you. Ihe a. Otu ihe dị gị nso. Ihe a n'Igbo. Number 4 says, Gini ka ha chọrọ. It means, what do they want? Gini ka ha chọrọ. What do they want? Gini ka ha chọrọ. What do they want? Gini, what? Gini, what? Gini ka ha chọrọ. What do they want? Number 5, the last one says, Gini na-akụ. Class, repeat after me. Gini na-akụ. It means, what is the time? Gini na-akụ. What is the time? Gini na-akụ. Kedu ihe na-akụ? It means, what is the time in English? Remember, our topic says simple sentences with what? Iji gini mee ahiriokwu mfe. Simple means mfe in Igbo. Simple sentences with what? Iji gini mee ahiriokwu mfe. What means Gini in Igbo language. Always share my video. Follow for more. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.